Hi, Alex. How's your English practice going lately?
Hi, sir. Honestly, I feel like I'm not improving much. I read, I listen, but it's slow.
That's okay. Improvement takes time. Let me give you a few tips. First, focus on listening and speaking every day, even if it's just a few minutes.
Like talking to myself or listening to podcasts? Both. You can listen to English podcasts, watch videos, or even repeat sentences you hear. Then try to speak aloud. Don't worry about mistakes. Speaking is how your brain practices forming sentences naturally.
That makes sense. I guess I get shy sometimes.
Don't worry about being perfect. Even native speakers make mistakes. The key is consistency. Try reading a short paragraph and then explaining it in your own words.
So, like summarizing what I read?
Exactly. That builds both vocabulary and confidence. Another tip, learn phrases, not just single words. Words alone are hard to use naturally, but phrases are ready to speak in real conversations.
Oh, so instead of memorizing happy, I can learn I'm happy to see you?
Yes, phrases, sentence patterns, and collocations. Also, try writing a short diary entry in English every day, even just one or two sentences. Then read it aloud. This helps speaking and writing at the same time.
Wow, that's a lot of practice, but I think I can try.
Start small, just 10 to 15 minutes daily, consistently. You'll notice improvement faster than doing a long study once a week. Remember, English is a skill, like riding a bike. The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Thank you, sir. I'll try these steps starting today.
Great. Keep going, Alex. You'll see results soon.